Welcome back to my channel. Today I was in the mood for some cozy and savory comfort food that's also budget friendly, so I decided to make some chicken stew. Before I get started, I need to do a little bit of prep work, so I'm going to go ahead and chop up my carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that have already been chopped up into small pieces. I'm adding some flour and I'm going to toss the chicken until all of the pieces are fully coated. I'm adding some olive oil and butter into a pan. I'm going to get that nice and hot before adding the chicken. I'll be lightly cooking the chicken until it's a nice golden brown color. Once the chicken has been cooked to a beautiful golden brown color, I'm going to remove it from the pan and set it aside for later. I'm adding in my carrots, onions, celery, and some minced garlic, and I'm going to get those sauteed until the onions are translucent and the veggies are slightly softened. I'm dropping in a couple of tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to stir until it's blended in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to pour in 2 cups of chicken broth as well as 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now it's time to add the chicken back to the pot, and I'm going to get to work on the seasoning. I'm adding in some rosemary, sage, thyme, and parsley. I'm also going to drop in a couple of teaspoons of better than bouillon for an additional flavor boost. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic to taste. And lastly, I'm going to drop in my potatoes. And I'm going to stir everything really well. I want to make sure I get all of that flavor and goodness well blended together. And lastly, I'm going to cover and allow the stew to simmer for about 30 minutes, checking and stirring occasionally. Once it's done, I'm going to allow it to cool down and thicken for about 10 minutes, and that's all there is to it. If you made it this far in the video, drop a spoon emoji in the comments if you enjoyed this content. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy cooking!